Okay, as you've seen, I've finished that top deck off, put a little sounder in. What I'm going to do now is, I got bored waiting for the paint to dry, so to speak, so I've knocked up a quick little outboard system. What I'm going to do is just a prototype. I've just made up this ring, bit of 4mm perspex, tacked it on. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a bracket up, so this will just click in one button and it will lock into place. I've just cut a hole through the perspex, mounted a swivel in so the motor actually moves through this plate here, and I'm just running a little 12 volt motor, which what I'll do now is put a little head unit on. I'll tap my wires in through here. I have conduit running through the center, and what I'll also run is 2 steering cables and a return loop. I might just knock up a quick ocky strap, bolt it to this, so no matter where I turn it, when I release my feet, the ocky strap will always pull it true. And yeah, so that's going to be the 12 volt system. That's stage 1. Bit of perspex onto the deck, swivel gasket. This here will be mounted tight like that, and then the motor will swivel on the inside. If you're really desperate, you can get these things from most toy stores. They come in those cheap little inflatable boats. I had it on my first canoe, which weighs a lot longer than this. It was 3 meters, but it was solid fiberglass, and it's still heavier than this 5 meter plywood. And it would push it through at about 4 knots pretty quick. Worst comes to worst, I'm still fitting an outrigger system through here once I fiberglass that in, and that will run a 2 horsepower little Evinrude motor there. So it's a gas powered, or petrol if you're an Australian. Now, yeah, so the outrigger system will come off here with a little pontoon I'm making up now, but just while I'm doing all that, I thought I can knock this up in about half an hour, so I'll quickly build this, put in my steering system and the 12 volt system. 12 volt system I'm going to have will run off deep cycle car battery. It's going to run the fish finder, the motor, little LED lights for nighttime fishing. Under the back here I'll have a little aeration system for my live bait tank and a few other odds and sods. Yeah, so I've got to work out what I can draw off it, but everything will be LED, so it's not going to pull much at all. I just definitely need some sort of nav light and cab lights so I can fish at night. Yeah, so that's the little 12 volt system. So I'll show you the steering next video. So this is video number 3.